Hey guys, are you dropshipping or are you a seller on TikTok Shop trying to find a winning product? Then I hope this tutorial is for you. Using the method that I'm just about to show you, I crawled 30 top performing and top selling products on TikTok Shop in just 10 minutes. And these are filtered by price, the rating, sentiment scores, shop name, and it's giving me the TikTok Shop URL as well. And I did this combining AI with social crawl. Let me show you how I did this step by step, and I hope this is a cost-effective alternative for Fastmoss or Calodata if you find these options a bit pricey. Before we get on, I'm going to take you through the overall workflow on how to find winning products in TikTok Shop. So we're going to start by choosing your business category, and for this example, I've chosen pet, specifically dog products. And we're going to search for winning products in TikTok Shop using this specific prompt, and I know it's a pretty long prompt, but it can be broken down into 6 different steps. And for each step I set a specific criteria, and you can play around with this criteria by whatever setting you want and what kind of filter you want to use to search for your winning products. So for step 1 is a product discovery stage, and I've set in a criteria for the products to be discovered by sales and in regions US, UK, and Australia. The next step is to filter by price, and I've set the price range between $15 to $80 here. Step 3, the prompt will command the AI to start enriching products based on the product ID, the ratings, the seller information, and the link to the TikTok Shop product. Then step 4, the AI will start filtering the products by its quality, and for the quality I've set the criteria to rating above 4.0, and the review count must be over 30. Step 5, the AI will analyze the sentiment of the reviews, so I've set the red flags for keywords like cheap quality doesn't match broke, and I've set the green flag keywords for example, obsessed, bought again, etc. And finally, the AI will combine a final score based on all these criteria, and it will compute a winning score between 0 to 100 for each product. So it's a long prompt with 6 total steps. I will share the whole prompt with you with all the criteria highlighted and in placeholders, so you can play around with different criteria and the filters that you want to kind of search your winning products. And that's the overall workflow, and we're actually ready to go now. If you have the prompt ready, the next step is to open up your favorite IDE. For me, my go-to IDE is a cursor with Cloud Code. I'm just going to open up my Cloud Code in the terminal. And if you haven't already logged on to Social Crawl, you need a Social Crawl API. I've explained in a separate video on how to install Social Crawl and start with the 100 free credits. So I'll leave the link to the video down below in the descriptions. Okay, now we're all set to go, and I'm just going to copy and paste the prompt I prepared onto Cloud Code. I'm just gonna let it run like this, and last time I tested, it took me about 7 to 10 minutes. So it's gonna take a while, so I'll check on it later when it finishes. Alright, so it seems like Claude has finished its task, and it's given me the results in a CSV file, so let's check it out. It's given me a total of 30 winning products in the dog product category, and it's ranked the products according to the final score. And in this list, we see the product name, the price, ratings, number of reviews, the sentiment score, the name of the shop, and I think it's given a trust score on the shop. And according to all the criteria, it's given a score. And lastly, it also gave us a URL to the specific TikTok shops where the product is listed. So this was a quick walkthrough on how you can quickly search top winning products on TikTok Shop using AI like Cloud Code and Social Crawl. I think it's a very cost-effective alternative method compared to Fastmoss or Calodata, which tend to be quite pricey on their subscriptions. I hope this tutorial was useful. Let me know if you want to see more of the use case tutorials like this more in the future. Bye bye.